What you're seeing and hearing is a Parasound HCA 1000 high current power amplifier. This is a professional level THX certified amplifier. As you can see, it has the rack mount ears where you can mount it in a rack if you like. I serviced this one a little while back. It's got brand new filter caps in it. It is all in good working order, and it's a really nice amplifier. We're asking $400 or best offer for this. Give us a call at 423-362-1866 or come see us at Red Bank Vintage Audio, 4220 Dayton Boulevard, Suite F in Red Bank. We'll send it home with you. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.